Welcome to this summary of The Wealthy Barber. This book simplifies personal finance through relatable storytelling, focusing on common-sense strategies to build wealth. It's presented as conversations between the main characters and a barber, Roy, who is financially successful despite his modest profession. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the chapters. Here we go. Chapter 1, Meet the Wealthy Barber. The narrator and his friends visit Roy, the barber, to learn about financial wisdom. Roy emphasizes that anyone, regardless of income, can achieve financial security by following simple principles like saving consistently and spending wisely. Chapter 2, Pay Yourself First. Roy introduces the core idea: save 10% of your income. Before spending on anything, set aside money for investments or savings. This ensures you prioritize your financial future over immediate wants. Chapter 3, Understanding Investments. Roy explains different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. He highlights the importance of starting early to take advantage of compound interest and choosing investments based on long-term goals. Chapter 4, The Importance of Insurance. This chapter covers life and disability insurance. Roy stresses protecting your family and yourself financially by having adequate insurance, ensuring security during unexpected events. Chapter 5, Home Ownership and Mortgages. Roy talks about the benefits of owning a home over renting and explains mortgages. He advises keeping mortgage payments manageable and paying off the loan as soon as possible. Chapter 6, Estate Planning. Roy explains wills and estate planning, highlighting the importance of preparing for the future. He urges everyone to have a will to protect their family and ensure a smooth distribution of assets. Chapter 7, Budgeting and Spending Wisely. Roy emphasizes the importance of budgeting. He advises tracking expenses to avoid overspending and distinguishing between needs and wants to save more effectively. Chapter 8, Teaching Financial Literacy. Roy encourages sharing financial knowledge with family and friends. Teaching kids about saving and investing early can help them build strong financial habits. Conclusion. Simple principles for wealth. The book ends with Roy reminding the characters that financial success is not about luck or complex strategies. Consistent saving, wise spending, and smart investing are the keys to long-term wealth. The Wealthy Barber shows that financial freedom is within reach for everyone if you follow basic, disciplined practices. If you found this summary helpful, hit the subscribe button for more insights like this on Book Hub. Stay tuned for more summaries that simplify life's most valuable lessons.